Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Today I have a long awaited box. I've been waiting on it for quite some time. It is the winter box and it is the winter AllTrue box. Now I'll have to say it has taken quite a while for this box to show up. I don't know what I ordered that caused such a delay, but I mean the spring boxes are already customized and are going to be coming out real soon. So I am glad that I'm able to show this to you before the spring box hits my door. Hopefully it won't take as long. But we are going to open this up today and see the items I chose. I am an annual member, and to be an annual member, you pay like $54.95 a quarter, but you pay it all at once, and it is $219.80. They do ship out free, and you can do a quarterly and pay quarterly, and that's $59.95. And I don't know that you get to choose your whole box. I think you get to choose maybe a couple of the items, and you get access to their market where you can buy things up to 70% off. You get other little perks from being a quarterly member. When you're an annual member, you get to customize your whole box, so you get to choose everything. I don't know, I can't say that they ship out faster because, hey, I'm one of the last ones. I may be the Lone Ranger on the last one out. Although I will have to say, Laura didn't have her box either. So she's going to have hers maybe next week. It has just been a long time coming. We're glad to have it. I want to see what I picked. I think I remember most items. If you're interested in this particular box, if I have any discounts, I will have them linked down in the description for you. And you can save on your first subscription or on your annual subscription. I think it's $10 off. But anyways, let's pop in this box and see what I got from AllTrue. I will tell you also, they are a lifestyle type box and you get a variety, 6 to 8 items. And it's similar to some of the other lifestyle. You're going to get a little bit of everything. And they give you great choices. They have a beautiful box, I will say that. Look at that. And for winter, that's just perfect. And these boxes are sturdy, so you can use them and repurpose them. But on the inside, we have our AllTrue magazine. I'm thankful that this is not a fold-out. I don't know if they listen to us or not, but they used to do like a fold-out, and it was so difficult to work with when you're trying to show all the items. Now, I have not ever gotten this per se, so I'm going to take a quick look through here to see how they're doing it. It's like a guide to winter. It's going to tell us what the winter box is. This here gives us first choice category, and we could have picked a shawl, the carry-on weekender, the stainless steel containers, or the foldable yoga mat. We could have gotten the Kama House blanket. Then it goes into the second choices. So, in the first category, what I picked, and just so you can see how they've got it, closed up on the inside, very nice. Inside, we always have a postcard, and it coordinates with our box. So, isn't this very nice? It is an AllTrue postcard, and you can send that out to a friend or somebody if you got a quick little note. Or you can collect them. I know some people hold on to these and maybe frame them. So they are a nice little piece of art. Now the first thing I'm pulling out of here for customization 1, I chose the Weekender bag. And this is how it comes in this nice little cover. And then it is like a canvas bag, and it's a good size bag. And the nice thing about this, and I'm sure many of you have seen this already, but you have, in case you haven't, there's a place down here for your shoes. When you're traveling and you're packing shoes, or maybe you want to put your dirty clothes in there. But It's just another compartment that you can use inside this nice carry-on for the weekend. Or, you know, this type of bag you could use other ways. I mean, if you're going to the park or something with the kids and want to bring them extra clothes, what have you. But I mean, it's nice and roomy. It's got a shoulder strap. It's got a little pocket on the side here. And it also has a zip pocket over here. So like I said, it's a good sized bag. I like it. And I love the colors. I think they call that cognac, is that color, or brown. And my luggage that I use going to Cancun or Mexico or wherever we go just happens to be white, or the cream with the cognac color. So I'm going to coordinate all the way with my luggage and even with my little weekender bag. And in this case, it just may be my on the plane bag. So, you know, because you can carry a carry-on. So I really like this. I'm going to get some good use out of it. My next item, let's see, on customization 2, we could have got the tea and a 10. We could have got the luxury anti-aging skincare set, the recycled classic slippers. And I don't know that they give us retail value. Let me see what my retail value is of that weekender bag. Yes, they do. It was $158 value. And remember, I paid $219.80 for my whole year. So, I mean, that one bag's already taken up 75% of the cost of my whole year subscription. So they do have some good deals. Let's see what I picked in this particular one. On the second choice, you could also pick these bowls. And I picked, and I don't know what I picked. I don't remember. I'm thinking I might have picked the skincare. Yep, I picked the Symbiosis London second choice category skincare. Guys, this is a teeny tiny tube. Guess the value. You'll never guess. $232 value. Wow. Okay, let's find out about this. A delightful duo designed to revitalize and rejuvenate with premium formula and sustainable source anti-aging ingredients, featuring a nourishing eye primer and a gentle yet effective exfoliator made with papaya and hyaluronic acid. So there's another section to this, and here's the other part. So it's 2 pieces for $232, and you got the hyaluronic acid, papaya, glycolic extract, and that is very interesting. You know, papaya is a very natural exfoliant. It's a very natural brightener. I mean, I've put papaya straight on my face, you know, when you peel it, and you can use the juices off of there and give yourself a facial mask naturally. So this may be some powerful products here. I'm going to look forward to trying them out. So one's an eye cream, one's an exfoliator. So very good, very interesting. So okay, I've gone way over my annual subscription, $158 and $232. Right there, that's like, oh my goodness, that's like already at $300. Okay, let's see what choices I could have made for my third one. Now, for my third choice, I could have picked this little beanie cap, which I did not. I can tell you that because I have plenty of those. I could have picked this table runner, or I could have picked this wallet. And I know what I picked. We had 3 choices, and I chose the Lark and Eve's wallet. And this is very soft, guys. Let's see what it has to say about it. It is a rich Bordeaux vegan leather wallet. Is a sleek, streamlined staple. Thoughtful details like the exterior zip pocket for coin, snap closure, and classic continental shape. Made by women for women, their intentional, beautifully crafted vegan leather accessories combine sleek silhouettes with practical yet minimalist design details. So that's the information on this, and as you can see, it does have the zipper that you can put your coins in, and I really like that because I like having a zipper coin purse. Right now I'm using one from, I think, FABFITFUN, cut from the cloth, and it doesn't have a coin purse, so I have a separate coin purse. We can always make do, but on the inside you have your place for your credit cards and debit cards and your ID, and on the other side we have the same, place that we can put both things, and then there is place to put cash and other items inside here. So this is a nice wallet, and I like it, and it's a nice color. And for winter, this would be perfect. Of course, we're fixing to go into spring, but I am certain I'll get some good use out of this. Very nice. And our fourth choice, we could have gotten these earrings, VineOh earrings. Oh, and the wallet value was $56, so there's $350 something so far. For my annual was $219, so figure this out at $54 is what I paid. $55 if you count $54.95. Let's get all the details right. Now the fourth choice, you could have picked the category with these drop earrings. You could choose Tana hand and foot cream duo. Okay, I surprised myself. I didn't think I picked the earrings, but I certainly did. So how about that? These are a $49 value. They're a sleek, smart, stylish, made and designed by LA by an all-female artisan team. The earrings add a little city sparkle to any holiday party. So I guess we're past the holidays, but we could still use these for any time. And they're a real rose gold plated brass, makes them sustainable for one thing and sophisticated on the trend. So here we go with some more rose gold. So I am surprised that I got these. And you guys know here lately I've gotten some rose gold things, so at least I'm going to have some earrings to go with it. And then of course they've got their backs on there. But aren't those nice little drop earrings? I like that. They are pretty. I will give them that. So, hey, maybe I'll start a collection of rose gold. If you could just see my jewelry, oh my goodness, I really don't need to start a whole different collection, but it's nice to have choices, I will say that. And I do have some rose gold necklaces and bracelets, so it's not like I don't have any of it. Now, the fifth choice, we could have chose this nail polish bundle. We could have got a revitalizing brow enhancing serum, or these bath bombs. I got the revitalizing brow enhancing serum, and this has a $70 value. So now we're up over $400 for this box, and I'll put a total at the end. But look at the packaging on that. It's also rose gold. I guess they're trying to hint to me, huh? So we've got brow, and this is a serum. It's an enhancing serum. It says, if the eyes are the window to the soul, that makes your brows the frame. Changing your brow shape can have a remarkable impact on the way your face looks. If you're needing to do a little restoration, looking at you, recovering over pluckers. Yeah, I've been in their category. This brow serum is for you, made with all clean ingredients and a fully cruelty-free formula. The Brow Enhancing Serum restores sparse and thinning brows naturally, encouraging growth with all natural ingredients. Apply daily before bed and see results in 4 to 6 weeks. Well, all right. I can't wait to try that out. And it's got a nice little brush on there, and you're going to click it at the end. And I'm not going to pop it right now because I'm not going to use it right at the moment. But I'm going to enjoy using that, I think. And, maybe help thicken up my brows a little more naturally. Now, the last item that we could have got was number 6. We could have got the silicone baking cups. We could have got the melting mud cleansing mask or the laundry and linen spray. I picked the silicone baking cups, and the reason I did that is because my daughter Laura loves to bake and her kids love cupcakes. I mean, what kids don't like cupcakes? But look, there's quite a few in here. There seems to be 2 of each color. They're very nice, and I like these. If she got a set, then she can have a set at home and she can have a set here, because, you know, she comes here during the summer and they stay a week or 2. Sometimes they stay a whole month. And let's see what it has to say. That's a $15.99 value. It's a net zero company. Baked goods just got a little more delightful with these reusable silicone baking cups. A sustainable swap made from 100% food grade BPA silicone safe, and you can use it up to 428 degrees. So that is wonderful. That definitely makes my box over $400, and I'll get y'all a total at the end. And of course, they've gone on to tell us different things that they do. So if you've ever thought about AllTrue, it is a great little box. It has a variety of items that you would like. That's all I have today for the AllTrue box. I think overall it was a great one. And as a recap, on top of our little magazine, we got our wallet, we got our silicone baking cupcakes, I got these beautiful rose gold earrings, I got this incredible skincare set here that I can't wait to try, I got the brow serum, and then the final item that I got was my weekender bag. So I say this was a great box. What was your favorite item? Did you have one? Would you consider subscribing to AllTrue? I can tell you they have mystery boxes now. And of course, some of you already know this. We have an AllTrue mystery train collab that we put together, and we will be having a spring one, and it'll be coming out soon. I don't know if it'll be March or April, but we've all got our stuff ordered, and we'll be comparing to other mystery boxes and our FABFITFUN bundles and letting you see what you can get versus price and what's in the bundle, and then you decide which ones that you like the best. But that'll be coming out soon. But currently, as far as giveaways, I have my 400 subscriber giveaway. By the time this comes out, it could be over. But if it's not, go and check my channel. I have a couple of giveaways that are surprise giveaways and some other videos. I've got I Won, So Can You giveaway going on, and you can find all these links down in the description. We also have a FABFITFUN mother-daughter battle going on, and that ends on March 2nd. The I Won, So Can You ends on March 1st. So there's lots of opportunity yet on some of these bigger giveaways. And I just want to thank everybody for watching today. And again, what was your favorite item? Would you subscribe to AllTrue even if they're sending things to you a little late? That can kind of be a little aggravating, but overall I really love my box. So I'm not going to complain. I'm glad I finally got it. As for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.